this is Unit 5, Formative 3, Day 2, adding and subtracting radicals. Okay, the first thing I want to remind you is radicals are very much like variables with like terms. So if I have 2x plus 3x, I can add those and I get 5x. So radicals are going to be the same thing. If I have 2 square root of 3 plus 3 square root of 3, you notice the radicals are the same. I can add the coefficients. 2 plus 3 is 5, and the square root of 3 doesn't change, just like the x didn't change here. Okay? So, and if they're different, so if I have 5x plus 7y, I can't combine those because they're not like terms. They have to be like radicals too. If I have 5 square root of 3 plus 7 square root of 2, the radicals aren't the same, so I cannot add those. This would be a simplified answer. There's nothing else you could do with that. All right, so let's take a look at this one. 8 square root of 5 minus 12 square root of 5. Now the square roots are the same, so they're like radicals. That means I can take my 8 and subtract 12, and I get negative 4 square root of 5. And that's my answer. So if the radicals or the square roots are the same, you just add or subtract the coefficients, whatever you're supposed to do. Different. Okay, here you have to simplify them. Okay, 20, okay, is not a simplified radical, so I need to break 20 down. Okay, and that is 4 times 5, and then 2 times 2. Okay. So I have a pair of 2's that can come out, and the 5 stays in because I can't pair it up. Plus, now the 5 here is simplified, so it's going to stay. Now you notice the radicals are the same. So 2 plus 3 is 5, square root of 5. Is the answer. Okay, so radicals have to be the same. You always have to simplify. Okay, here's one. 4 square root of 12 minus 2 square root of 75 plus 7 square root of 3. None of these radicals or square roots are the same. Okay, but your 12 can be simplified and your 75 can be simplified. So let's go ahead and break the 12 and the 75 down. Okay, so 12 is 4 times 3 and then 2 times 2. Okay, so I have a pair of 2's, so those are going to come out. Okay, remember to multiply it with whatever's out there already. The 3 has to stay in, so I have 8 square root of 3. Okay, let's break 75 down. It's 25 and 3. And then 25 is 5 and 5. So I have a pair of 5s, so 1 comes out. Now you're going to multiply it by the negative 2, so that's negative 10 square root of 3. And 3 in this radical is already simplified, so I'm just going to go ahead and bring it down. Okay. Now they all have the same radical. Okay, so they're all like radicals, so I can take and I combine. What's 8 minus 10 is negative 2, plus 7 is 5. This is 5 square root or radical 3. Okay, so that's adding and subtracting radicals. Have a great day.